Nigerian Afrobeat singer Davido, popularly known as Davido, has announced a white wedding with his wife, Chioma, which will be held this year. NaijaNews reports that this comes 10 months after the couple star-studded traditional marriage ceremony at Eco Hotels, Lagos State. Davido, in his latest interview with Breakfast Club, revealed that their highly anticipated white wedding will be coming up in August 2025 in Miami. He said, "I'm doing my white wedding in Miami in August this year." In related news, Davido has disclosed that American rapper 50 Cent once turned down his request for a picture together. He recounted that the incident occurred when he was a teenager, adding that his family was celebrating his elder brother's birthday in Las Vegas, where he met 50 Cent. He, however, stated that the G-Unit boss blatantly refused to honor his request for a picture. Speaking in a recent episode of the Breakfast Club, Davido said he reminded 50 Cent of the incident years later, after he had become a music star himself. While this has sparked reactions online, we'll continue to supply you more entertainment news stories. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.